Hi, keeping it real here. Introduction to my new Orbea Terra gravel bike with a few close-ups of everything you get with it. That's my out front mount. That's my rotor that you get. Also gives you an indication of the color. That's a standard color set. It's not a special color set, and I just think it's brilliant. That's the closeups, and that's the stem. Orbea stem with a teardrop stem cap, GRX levers with the flared out handlebar. And there you go, so that's the right side of it. Supplied by Epic Cycles in Ludlow, 2x group set, 1134 at the back. This is just before I put my SPDs on, so this is brand spanking new. But I love the color, I do. Yeah, much nicer than their previous version that they used to have green with red and yellow lines. Now that's the top tube, I think it's called. Another shot of the 160 rotor. But love that blue, just love that blue gradation going into the green. Very nice, very nice. Kudos to the Orbea designer. That's the outward stem Garmin holder. There you go, that's my Orbea Terra dry tire with the SKS mudguards. This is brand spanking new. At this point I hadn't ridden it. I mean, this is the bit that I wasn't that pleased with, the black on yellow, but yeah, it is what it is. And that's the input, cable input. But yeah, I mean, beautiful green, red's beautiful as well. It's an orangey red. That's the scale tire, I call it. Scaly internals and knobbly edge. But again, this gives you an idea on what it looks like, because even, you know, when I was researching, I couldn't find any detail anywhere. It's a 38C tire, 700C, Orbea Terra dry, which is, you know, the biggest tire I've ever bought. I've never bought a 38C before. For the time being, I'm just going to use it as is, just so that experience what it's all about. There's the closeups again. The back, it's got a glitter in that blue. There's a real shiny glittery kind of effect on it. Love it. The GRX derailleur. There you go, that's another angle of it. I do like it, yes I do. It's in small. I bought it in small, and it's the perfect size for me. And Epic did as part of their service, if you go and pick the bike up, they'll do a very good bike fit, and my bike fit's actually very good. I've subsequently tested it with a power meter, with a power pod power meter, and my riding is actually perfect. I'm not very powerful, but my riding's actually very good, which I'll in due course put out. I don't know what happened there. There we go. There's a seat again. But yeah, great bike. Highly recommend it if you're thinking of a bike. And in my case, I wanted an all-round bike. That's the underneath view. So if you like it, subscribe. Thank you.